The goal of the Raspberry Pi Foundation is to make computing as cheap and accessible as possible, so today is introducing a new $25 computer that shares many of the highlights as its $35 first-line device. The new model, called Raspberry Pi 3 Model A Plus, uses the same Broadcom 1.4 GHz quad-core processor as the high-end Model B Plus. It also has the same compatibility with Bluetooth 4.2, as well as with Wi-Fi of 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, which facilitates its use in any place where there is a connection. But some specifications are being reduced to take into account the price reduction of $10. There is no longer an Ethernet port you have to use Wi-Fi, there is only 512 MB of RAM instead of 1 GB, and it drops to a single USB port 2.0 instead of 4. That is basically the same formula that Raspberry Pi used the last time he introduced an A+ model reduce in 2014. But there is a big difference this time that makes the new version much more capable. Previous A+ models lacked Ethernet and Wi-Fi, so they had no way on board to get an internet connection. The Pi 3A Plus has Wi-Fi,